AI technician as well as a veterinary husbandry officer. I do private sector. The training mainly was about AI and how to handle pigs towards the heat period, even how to maintain the pigs during pregnancy, even after following, how do we handle the pig, the mother, the sow itself, and the piglets till weaning. The training was of very much importance to me because I studied animal husbandry, but I didn't have the practical bit of it of AI. So the training helped me to gain that skill of AI. That's why now I call myself an AI technician. I've got an added advantage on my income because before I used just to treat, vaccinate, deal with other animals, even the pigs themselves, but I didn't have that skill of AI. So when I added on AI as a skill, my income basis has increased. Yeah, the benefits of AI, when these people call you that we need this breed, it's not like they'll come and say, that boy is a large white, but they're not sure. But if the farmer comes and calls you for AI, they're sure the breed you are bringing for them, because even the semen pack is labeled well. So they are very sure they're going to get the right breed they need. That's the first advantage. The second advantage, the process is done and it's in a short period, whereby they're not going to incur costs of transporting the sow to the boer. Even they're not going to incur those challenges of the boer was too big for the sow, you get it? So some of those challenges are eliminated. Then the other benefit I think, for myself, I've got farmers who at least have got what they really wanted. Because I have Mary, who had 24 piglets after me doing the insemination, and she was very happy. But the only challenge she got, the sow never had all the teats, the 24 teats to feed. So she had to incur costs of supplementing, milk and all that. But at least we have 22 piglets today. Another benefit of AI, we have the reduced disease spread. Because as technicians, we are always told, if you're an AI technician, if you've been a pork consumer, then you have to reduce, or you have to cease consuming pork. That means you don't have to transmit diseases, because if you ate pork, maybe you don't know if it had African swine fever. So if you know you are a regular AI technician, then you either cease the consumption of pork, so that you don't be a transmitter of diseases to people's farms. And even these gears we use, the boots, the overalls, even the catheter themselves, you need very clean and well protected gears. That means if I've used this today in this farm, I have to go back to my place, clean it thoroughly, keep it aside, use another gear. Because if I use one here, there, to every farmer, that means I'm spreading diseases. And even there are these diseases that are sexually transmitted from boers to sows. So these farmers have communal boers. So that kind of having a communal boer whereby every sow is brought there, that kind of disease spread is reduced. The first negative attitude I've got, if they say lady coming to inseminate, that's number one challenge. Someone, oyo omukazi. So they feel ladies can't do it. And you have to convince those farmers a lot that even a woman can do it. Then the other challenge is they think it's expensive. So when you go in terms of, in the bits of money, it's very expensive. Let me get a boer. And the other thing is they really want to know, after you've inseminated, am I really sure I'm going to have the number of piglets I expect? Won't I get one? Won't you inseminate and it does not conceive? Then you have to explain to them the challenges that may come after. Like, if it does not conceive, I'm willing to come back and re-inseminate at a free cost. Only the transport cost will be mine. So if you tell them I'm going to come back and inseminate if it does not conceive, at least they embrace that and they're like, okay. They're willing to pay because they know if it doesn't conceive, you're still going to do what? To come back and re-inseminate.